In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make linked buttons on your Steam profile, and it's going to take just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to spruce up your profile or make it easier for others to navigate, adding linked buttons can be a great way to customize your Steam page. Let's dive in and get started. First, open up your Steam app. You can do this by searching for it on your desktop or navigating through your applications. Once the app is open, you'll want to head straight to the login page. If you aren't already logged into your account, look for the login button, go ahead and click on that. Now let's move on to entering your login details. You'll need to enter your account name and your password. Take your time here to make sure you enter everything correctly. Once you've double checked your information, click on sign in to access your account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Steam homepage. From here, we'll navigate to your profile. Look for your profile name, usually located at the top of your screen. Give it a click. This will open a drop down menu where you'll see an option that says view my profile. Go ahead and select that option. Now that you're viewing your profile, you'll want to make some edits. To do this, look for a button that says Edit Profile. It should be on your profile page, typically near the top. Click on Edit Profile to start customizing your page. Once you're in the Edit section, you'll see various options for customization. Focus on finding the Custom URL section. A well-chosen URL can be a personal touch to your profile. Click on Custom URL, and this will allow you to add a unique URL. Enter the URL that you want people to use to visit your profile. Make it something easy to remember and relevant to you. After you've entered your desired URL, double check to make sure everything is just how you want it. Once you're satisfied, you will have created a more navigable and personalized Steam profile with linked buttons. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create and personalize linked buttons on your Steam profile in just a few minutes. By following these steps, you can make your profile stand out while also making it more functional. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out more of our Steam customization tips if you want to continue enhancing your profile.